Welcome back, viewers. Even as we are witnessing certain relaxations that have been levied by the centre across the country, when it comes to Chennai, specifically Tamil Nadu, there is going to be a complete lockdown and shutdown across Chennai, Coimbatore as well as Madurai, and that is what we are getting in certain updates. In fact, there has been a last-minute panic buying witnessed in all shops, as there is going to be a total shutdown for the next 4 days in Chennai, Madurai as well as Coimbatore. There has been a lockdown violation witnessed at several markets, specifically talking about Chennai as we speak. Even as we are witnessing relaxation across the country, heavy crowds were seen at shops in Chennai today morning as we speak on account of this last minute panic buying that people are in fact undertaking on account of a total shutdown that we will be witnessing for the next 4 days in Chennai, Madurai as well as Coimbatore. Let's go across as to my colleague Sanjeevi, who's joining us over the phone line. Sanjeevi, there is a total violation when we are witnessing on our screens right now when it comes to no social distancing norms being followed in Chennai specifically. Take us through the details of the same and why people are really panic buying.
Well, Richa, we cannot say it's kind of violation because the people are pushed to this kind of last-minute panic buying in Chennai because, the government has announced just last evening that it's going to be a 4-day shutdown from Chennai starting from 26 to 29, which is 4 days of time, and that is why people, are everywhere literally in front of all the shops here in Chennai, Coimbatore, and also Madurai, which are the major corporations of Tamil Nadu, and in fact. People have to stock all the things for next few days, and that is why we could see a huge crowd standing in all the places in Chennai. I'm standing in Triple Cane area where, in fact, for supermarket, people are standing in a queue in large numbers, in fact, to buy the products because of the number of cases in Chennai is almost 453 right now, and that is the reason why, in fact, there is almost 120 containment zones only in the Chennai city, and that is why people are, in fact, panic buying is what we can say right now, and the number of cases across the Tamil Nadu is 1,755, which is actually alarming. But to control down the situation, that is why the Tamil Nadu government had announced a total shutdown for Chennai, Madurai and also Coimbatore starting from 26th of this month to 29th, where in fact all the shops will be closed. Only the essential service providers can in fact come to the road. All the shops will be closed, so only the people are going to get the milk, and that is why we could see a huge number of lines standing outside all the shops in Chennai. So I'm standing in Triple Cane area, which has got many number of containment zones here in Chennai. So let me directly go and talk to some of the public here. So what do you want to buy? The Tamil Nadu government has announced yesterday that it's going to. Tamil Nadu government has announced yesterday it's going to be shut down for 4 days. So what are you going to buy now? And
I'm going to buy the normal groceries, actually, like homemade foods.
Alright, so that was my colleague Sanjeevi getting us that report from Chennai, where we are witnessing that people are doing last minute panic buying in all shops across Chennai, Madurai as well as Coimbatore on account of a total shutdown that has been announced by the state authorities for the next 4 days in that region.